Travel at your own risk. This is a steep hill. I usually don't take you down this. Hey, put that back paw in. Put that back paw in. That is an awful weird position. Stay in. Hey. You're hanging out too far. You're hanging out too far, and we're not going to walk here. No, I said we're not going to walk here. Oh, please don't talk to me. Hey, where are you going? They're gone. Don't go down there. Hey, stop. I don't want to walk here because it's going to be tough to get out of here. There you go.